297th day of 2024. Today is October 27th, 2024. I'm Connor with Honor. This is going to be your daily real estate update. This is going to be just actionable and factual information. So let's dive in. Coming soon properties posted this last 7 days were 12, and those are going to be coming onto the market soon. We have 63 new homes that have just been added. 96 homes have had price adjustments. This is definitely getting close to the 100 mark, and it's really a sign that sellers are responding to the market feedback. 23 homes are back on the market after falling out of escrow. 33 homes are currently active under contract but still accepting backup offers. We have 49 homes that are nearing the closing table in escrow. 53 have actually sold or closed. We have 49 properties that are in escrow. 8 listings have expired without selling. 11 homes have been canceled. 13 homes have been put on hold, not currently available, but keep an eye out. Those could be coming back soon. And of course, withdrawn listings, 0 over the past 7 days, which is good news. Let's get into the specific breakdown of 3-bedroom detached single-family homes in various Santa Clarita neighborhoods. I did this research this morning, and I believe it's very valuable. In Valencia, we do have several 3-bedroom homes on the market. For example, in the San Marino neighborhood, in the San Marino tract, we do have a home listed for $949,999 and another one in Chelsea in the Summits for $995,000. These homes are in desirable neighborhoods, and with multiple listings, buyers have a little room to negotiate because we are up at the 553 number for total active listings in all of Santa Clarita Valley. In Saugus, we do have a variety of 3-bedroom homes available. For example, there's one in Lookout, the Point neighborhood, listed at $699,000. Another option is a home in Shadow Ridge, listed at $800,000. Multiple listings in neighborhoods like Bouquet Canyon suggest healthy competition, so that's going to give buyers more solid options to explore. In Canyon Country, you'll find 3-bedroom homes starting in the mid-700s. A notable listing in North Oaks neighborhood is listed at $775,000. If you're looking for a bit more land and privacy, homes in this area can definitely offer both. In Newhall, we have fewer listings, but there are some excellent 3-bedroom options like the one in custom downtown Newhall area listed at $799,999. Buyers in this area need to move quickly as inventory here does tend to move pretty quick. Stevenson Ranch, there's a 3-bedroom home listed in the Chelsea neighborhood for $1,195,000. It's actually a particular builder type of home in the Summit. This is a higher end market, but buyers can expect homes with premium features and really great locations. Some have fantastic views. In Castaic, 3-bedroom homes like the one on Meadowgrass Drive are listed at $760,000. This area is known for its larger lots, quieter suburban feel, making it a great choice for buyers seeking space. So, what does this mean for you as a buyer or seller? Well, buyers have options, but with inventory moving fast, you'll want to definitely stay proactive. Sellers, with competition in many neighborhoods, make sure your home is priced right and presented well to stand out. Here's today's breakdown. Connor with Honor, bringing you the facts so you can make better real estate decisions. I'll talk to you soon. I'm Connor with Honor. Over and out.